What's up, new fam? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be giving you a house tour of this house. I need to turn on these little lights. Which I have no clue how to tell them.
You said you wanted simple, doesn't get simpler. What's the catch?
The heck was that? I'm going to ask my grandparents to turn it on. I'll be right back. Okay, I actually tried it again. I can't.
Did you get it?
No. It's way too hard. So I'm going to give you a house tour. So let's start by the front door.
You want it on?
Yes, I just need this one. So that's my mom. So let's start by the front door. This is the front door. It might be locked up there, so you can't go through the front door. Got a car seat for Luke. Oh shit. There's Luke. And there's Luke as a baby and pictures. And Luke's not here now. Our toy room, this is basically our room. We might get a bunk bed in here. We have that. We put a little ball inside of it. And then, yeah, and then in here, there's this grill. It's basically the garage. It's really hot in there. We have washing machines in the garage. Then we just have storage. No cars, really. I mean, some cars can go in there. It gets bigger if you move some of the stuff. We got a cooler. Well, not a cooler, a giant refrigerator, freezer. Me and Luke ate the ice off of right here yesterday. So yeah, we got that. Then got a little chair, microwave. And here the lights turn on. They're not on right now. Just doesn't sound enough. And then got the TV, the room, more pictures. Basically me and Luke's room and my grandpa's room for now. For, I guess, yeah, his room. And then, bathroom. This one is mine more bigger. The backyard. Park the cars here. It's basically not the garage. The roof came off. Here's the backyard. This is the backyard. It's really dark down there. Got a shed. These two basically are our sheds. That's my grandpa's. And then that's kind of our shed. That's my grandpa's. And then that's our neighbor's, Kelly. Then got that. Got all of that. See, that's how it blew off. And we got some more cars. And Dad and my grandpa outside. Then here, it's just the closet. We have swimsuits, towels, paint, bubbles, lots of stuff, random stuff, old stuff, Christmas stuff, like holiday stuff. And we have more so holiday stuff, more and more and more for every holiday. So yeah, don't worry about that right now. And Luke's got some of his toys in here. I got some of my toys in here. We all got our toys in here. So he likes this one a lot. Eels are pretty cool. So yeah, and this one. So on my next video, I'm gonna be talking about them. Bye.